And a very good Sunday afternoon, everyone. I'm meteorologist Andrew Samet. We've got a very active day in store for us heading into the day on Monday and even into at least the first half of Tuesday as well. So let's jump right into it here. I'm going to take the graphics full screen. A good chunk of the area, especially the further south and east you go, under an enhanced risk, including places like Palestine, Crockett, down towards Trinity County into Lufkin, Nacogdoches, and even as far north as Athens. That's a level 3 out of 5 risk, a level 2 out of 5 in the yellow shaded area, including places like Tyler, Mineola, Gilmer, and Mount Pleasant. And then that marginal risk is just outside of our area. So basically all this means is that in the area shaded in orange, that is the best potential to see severe thunderstorms, and then our second best potential for severe weather is in the yellow shaded area. So either way, we are all fair game to see some strong to, and in some cases, severe thunderstorms. In fact, into portions of deep East Texas, there is that potential for a strong tornado, which is an EF2 or higher. That includes places like southern Anderson County, into Houston, Trinity counties, and most of Angelina County and far southern Cherokee County as well. So those areas in particular have a higher risk for seeing stronger and severe thunderstorms with that strong tornado potential. So now is the time across the entire area to make sure you have your tornado safe place in mind and the plan for your household. Remember, you need to be in a sturdy structure away from walls and windows and leaving as many away from windows rather, and leaving as many walls between you and the outside world as possible with that potential for a strong tornado. I think the threat is even greater though south of our area. Still some uncertainty is just how far north the tornado threat will make it, but that will become something more clear as we head throughout the rest of the day here. Taking a look at FUTURECAST, I'm going to go ahead and change that data real quick so we can actually take a look at the radar here. But as we head throughout the day on Monday, at least during the morning hours, things will be on the quiet side now. We can't rule out a few showers from time to time out there. Something certainly is a possibility for us, but we will be watching for some thunderstorm development as we head into Monday afternoon. So here's FUTURECAST with the rainfall this time. You can see by 2 o'clock in the afternoon still there are some showers out there. A few thunderstorms potentially for the early part of the afternoon. That will really be a large hail threat if a storm can get going, because those storms, at least along the Interstate 20 corridor, will be elevated in nature at that time. As we head into the evening hours, though, the severe weather threat will ramp up. You can see by 6 o'clock, the storms are starting to strengthen over by the Dallas-Fort Worth area and I-35 near Waco, where the severe weather threat, I think, is even higher over there. But by 9 o'clock, we're tracking those storms as they push on through our area, bringing the risk of all modes of severe thunderstorms possible, with tornadoes, damaging winds, and even large hail as well. As we head throughout your early Tuesday morning, this one particular model that we're looking at actually keeps the rain for a lot longer than most of the other models. You can see by 10 o'clock in the morning, there's still widespread showers and thunderstorms out there. Certainly possible it lasts that long, but I don't think it will last for that much longer into Tuesday than what the forecast model is showing. I think the severe weather threat will come to an end by around 7, 8 o'clock in the morning, and then we could still see some lingering showers and storms into the early afternoon. But at this time, I'm not thinking it's going to be as intense as what the FUTURECAST was showing there. But you did see a lot of rainfall on there, and certainly there is a risk for some flash flooding. The greatest threat of that is in that red shaded area. Now, this is for an excessive rainfall outlook. This is different from the Storm Prediction Center. This, what we're looking at, gives you an idea of the potential for some flash flooding. And in the red shaded area, including places like Marshall, Henderson, Nacogdoches, Lufkin, has a shot of seeing some flash flooding as well, because some of these thunderstorms may sit over an area for a long period of time, leading to that flash flood threat. So to wrap it all together here, here's a look at the severe weather threats. 1 p.m. Monday through 7 a.m. Tuesday. Damaging wind gusts and tornadoes are the primary threat. Again, in southwestern portions of our area, again, a strong tornado is possible. Heavy rain could lead to some flash flooding, and then large hail is the least of the concern, but still is a possibility. So you definitely want to stay weather aware as we head throughout your day on Monday. Again, the greatest potential for tornadoes is in southwestern portions of the area, where that potential exists for a strong tornado or two.